I'm Andrew Weisz, and I'm the Student Council President. Welcome to Friday Assembly. First off, some student announcements.
Hey guys, so for those of you that might not know me, my name's Luca Capaldi, and I'm here on behalf of Drama Club. So, if you might not know yet, we are shooting a movie instead of a play this semester, and that means that we need a makeup team. We are lacking in people to do our makeups, and that is why we need a makeup team. So if you're interested, please feel free to talk to me, email Ms. Salvar, email Mr. Peck, or talk to our president, Denai McConey, and we'll be happy to take you in. Thank you, go Bucks.
Hi, I'm Devyn Dyett, and I'm a part of the Yearbook staff. As we all know, this year has been very challenging, but we want to highlight moments, big or small, that have helped you all stay positive and motivated in or outside of school. We sent out an email on Wednesday with a form titled Yearbook Survey, and we'd really appreciate your input.
Hi everybody, my name is Aaryn, and I'm the president of the Diversity Council this year. I'd like to announce that we have our first meeting next week, Wednesday, September 30th in Benjamin Hall during lunch. We'd like to see you there. Go Bucks.
Hi, my name is Nandini, and the Benjamin School is once again running a shoe and sock collection for Souls for Souls. The social sector found that creates sustainable jobs and provides relief through the distribution of previously worn shoes and clothing around the world. Please watch this brief clip to get a sense of the organization and its mission.
If you look down right now, chances are you're looking at your shoes. You probably never thought of this, but do you know the power of a pair of shoes? A new pair of shoes can protect children and adults from debilitating diseases in places like Haiti, Honduras, and Kenya, keeping them happy, healthy, and thriving. New shoes allow children to attend school so they can receive an education, giving them the opportunity to break the cycle of poverty. Shoes also bridge the economic gap here in the United States, providing hope and dignity for thousands every year. A used pair of shoes is powerful too. We use them as a tool to create economic change all over the world. Used shoes help entrepreneurs in developing nations earn an income by repurposing and selling what you no longer need. Don't limit the power of a pair of shoes by throwing them away. Donate them to Souls for Souls instead. When you keep shoes out of our landfills, you're protecting the environment and creating meaningful opportunities for those who need them most. Unleash the power of your shoes by cleaning out your closet today, and then encourage your friends, family, and community to clean out theirs tomorrow. Visit soulsforsouls.org to find out more.
We have worked with Souls for Souls over the past several years, and with your help are hoping to surpass our 2019 collection of nearly 2,200 pairs of shoes. This drive will continue through the end of February 2020. We accept one shoe or pairs of old shoes, new shoes, shoes that don't fit, even shoes in terrible condition. They can all make a difference. There is a drop-off location near the front desk in the upper school main office building. Thank you for your support and for your donations.
That was great. We don't have any faculty announcements. I would just like to say we have a big football game tonight against American Heritage Del Rey. Obviously, there's not a limited amount of fans, so after this assembly, I will be sending out a link to the live stream if you want to watch it and support your Bucks. Also, I want to wish all the Jewish members of the upper school a happy Yom Kippur and just have an overall great weekend.
Also, it's Andrew's birthday, so if you see him, tell him happy birthday.
It is my birthday. Thank you, and go Bucks.